Have you ever needed to record your screen but didn't want to download any software? Maybe your storage is full, or you just want something fast and simple. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen instantly, with zero downloads, and completely for free. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or even a Chromebook, these built-in tools will help you capture your screen in just a few clicks. Let's start with Windows. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you already have a screen recorder built right into your system. Just press Windows plus G to open the Xbox game bar. From here, click the capture icon. You'll see options to record your screen, take screenshots, and manage audio. Simply hit the record button, and Windows will start capturing everything on your screen. When you're done, press Windows plus Alt plus R to stop recording. Your video will be automatically saved in the Captures folder. Next, let's move to Mac. Mac users also have a built-in screen recorder. Just press Shift plus Command plus 5. A small toolbar will appear, allowing you to record the entire screen or just a selected portion. You can also choose where to save your recording and whether to include audio from your microphone. When you're ready, click Record, and when you're finished, click the small stop button at the top of your screen. Your recording will appear instantly on your desktop. Now, what if you prefer using an online screen recorder, but still no software download? You can visit websites like ScreenApp, Recordcast, or VD.io, all of which let you record your screen directly from your browser. Just open the website, click the record button, choose whether you want to record your screen, webcam, or both, and you're good to go. The best part? Everything works straight from your browser, no installation required. And finally, if you're using a Chromebook, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Overview key, then choose the screen record option. Chromebooks have a simple, clean built-in recorder that saves your videos directly to your files. So now you know, you don't need any apps or complicated software. Whether you're making a tutorial, recording a lecture, saving a meeting, or capturing gameplay, these free built-in tools will handle everything for you. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.